Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. India is a land of vibrant colors, rich traditions, and joyous celebrations. Our festivals are an integral part of our cultural identity. They showcase our heritage and bring us together. From the snowy Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches, each region has its unique festivals. These celebrations are a testament to our unity and diversity.
Our festivals are not just about rituals. They are about coming together as a community. We share stories, laughter, and delicious food. These celebrations remind us of the values we hold dear. They teach us to embrace life with open arms.
India's festivals are a sensory delight. Imagine vibrant colors, the rhythmic beat of drums, and the aroma of traditional sweets. These experiences stay with you long after the celebrations end. They leave you with a sense of joy and a deeper understanding of our culture.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Holi, the Festival of Colors, is a vibrant celebration of spring. It is one of the most joyous and lively festivals in India, marking the arrival of the new season with a burst of colors and happiness. It marks the victory of good over evil, symbolized by the burning of the Holika effigy on the eve of Holi, known as Holika Dahan. This ritual signifies the triumph of righteousness and the dispelling of negativity. On this day, people come together to play with colors, sing and dance. The streets are filled with people smearing each other with vibrant powders, and the air resonates with the sounds of laughter and music. The air is filled with laughter and the spirit of camaraderie. Children and adults alike join in the fun, making it a festival that transcends age and brings communities together. Holi is a time to let go of inhibitions and embrace the joy of the present moment. People dance with abandon, capturing joyful moments that will be cherished for years to come. It's a reminder to forgive past grievances and start afresh. The festival encourages people to mend broken relationships and spread love and happiness. The colors symbolize the vibrancy and diversity of life itself. Holi is a celebration of the myriad hues of human emotions and the beauty of cultural diversity.
The festival has its roots in Hindu mythology, with stories that have been passed down through generations. It celebrates the story of Prahlad, a devotee of Lord Vishnu, and his triumph over his evil aunt Holika. This tale is a powerful reminder of the strength of faith and the ultimate victory of good over evil. The burning of Holika effigies symbolizes the destruction of evil. This act of setting the effigy ablaze is a communal event, bringing people together in a shared sense of purpose and celebration. Holi is celebrated with equal enthusiasm across India. From bustling cities to quiet villages, the spirit of Holi unites everyone in a collective expression of joy. From the streets of Mumbai to the villages of Punjab, everyone is drenched in the colors of joy. The festival transcends geographical boundaries, making it a truly national celebration. It's a time for families and friends to come together and create lasting memories. The shared experiences of playing with colors, dancing and celebrating strengthen bonds and create stories that are cherished for a lifetime.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is one of the most important and widely celebrated festivals in India. It marks a time of joy, prosperity, and the triumph of good over evil. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and hope over despair. The lighting of diyas, small oil lamps, is a central part of the celebration, representing the inner light that protects us from spiritual darkness. The festival commemorates the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after defeating the demon king Ravana. This story from the epic Ramayana is a powerful reminder of the victory of righteousness and the importance of fulfilling one's duty.
During Diwali, homes are decorated with diyas, candles, and colorful lights. These decorations not only beautify the surroundings but also create an atmosphere of warmth and positivity. People wear new clothes, exchange sweets, and burst firecrackers. The exchange of sweets symbolizes the sharing of happiness, and the bursting of firecrackers is believed to ward off evil spirits. The festival brings families and communities together. It is a time for reunions, for strengthening bonds, and for creating cherished memories with loved ones. Diwali is also a time for reflection and renewal. People take this opportunity to reflect on their lives, make resolutions for the future, and seek to improve themselves. People clean their homes and decorate them with intricate rangoli designs. These beautiful patterns, made with colored powders, are believed to bring good luck and welcome guests. They offer prayers to goddess Lakshmi, seeking her blessings for prosperity and well-being. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is revered during this time, and her blessings are sought for a prosperous year ahead.
The festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm by Hindus all over the world. It transcends regional and cultural boundaries, uniting people in a shared celebration of light and joy. It's a time for joy, togetherness, and the triumph of good over evil. The spirit of Diwali is one of unity, happiness, and the reaffirmation of faith in the goodness of life. Diwali reminds us that even in the darkest of times, hope and light will always prevail. It is a celebration of the enduring power of light, love, and the human spirit.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Dussehra, also known as Vijayadashami, marks the victory of good over evil. This festival is celebrated with immense joy and enthusiasm across the country, symbolizing the triumph of righteousness and the defeat of malevolence.
It celebrates the triumph of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana. The story of Lord Rama, his unwavering faith, and his ultimate victory is reenacted through dramatic performances known as Ramlila, which captivate audiences of all ages. The festival also commemorates goddess Durga's victory over the demon Mahishasura. This aspect of the celebration highlights the power and strength of the divine feminine, inspiring devotees to seek blessings for courage and protection.
Dussehra is celebrated with great fervor across India. From the bustling streets of Delhi to the vibrant lanes of Kolkata, each region adds its unique flavor to the festivities, making it a truly national celebration. In North India, Ramlila, a dramatic enactment of the Ramayana, is staged for 10 days. These performances are not just entertainment, but a way to pass down cultural values and stories from one generation to the next. On the 10th day, effigies of Ravana, his brother Kumbhakarna, and son Meghnad are burnt. This act symbolizes the destruction of evil and the restoration of peace and harmony in society.
In West Bengal and other parts of East India, Dussehra marks the culmination of Durga Puja. This grand festival is characterized by beautifully decorated pandals, cultural performances, and community feasts. Huge, elaborately decorated idols of goddess Durga slaying Mahishasura are worshipped for 10 days. These idols are a testament to the artistic skills and devotion of the people, drawing visitors from far and wide. On Vijayadashami, these idols are immersed in rivers or other water bodies. This ritual signifies the return of the goddess to her celestial abode, bringing the festivities to a poignant close.
Dussehra is a reminder that good always triumphs over evil. It encourages us to reflect on our actions and strive to lead a life of virtue and integrity. It's a time to reflect on our own inner battles and strive to overcome our negative tendencies. The festival serves as a powerful reminder to cultivate positive qualities and work towards self-improvement. The festival inspires us to be courageous, righteous, and stand up for what is right. It is a celebration of the human spirit's resilience and the enduring power of good over evil. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Indian festivals are a feast for the senses, filled with vibrant colors, melodious music, and energetic dances.
Yes, absolutely. Each festival has its own unique set of traditions and performances. Take Navratri, for instance, where people perform Garba and Dandiya Ras, traditional dances that are so full of energy and joy.
And in Kerala during Onam, you can witness the mesmerizing boat races and the elegant Kaikoti Kali dance.
Oh, and let's not forget the mesmerizing Kathakali performances, which tell stories through intricate dance and elaborate costumes.
Truly, the sights, sounds, and dances of Indian festivals are a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage and diversity. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Festivals in India are synonymous with delicious food, family gatherings, and joyous celebrations.
That's right. Each festival brings with it a variety of traditional dishes. For instance, during Diwali, sweets like laddus, barfis, and jalebis are a must-have.
And during Eid, the feast includes mouth-watering dishes like biryani, kebabs, and sheer kurma.
Yes, and Pongal in South India is celebrated with dishes like the sweet and savory Pongal, made from rice and lentils.
Festivals are a time when families come together, share meals, and create lasting memories.
Indeed, the joy of celebrating with loved ones, sharing delicious food, and participating in festive activities is what makes these occasions truly special.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Festivals, while rooted in cultural and religious traditions, also highlight our shared humanity.
Absolutely. No matter where you are in the world, Festivals bring people together, fostering a sense of community and belonging.
They remind us of the universal values of love, compassion, and togetherness.
Yes, and in a world that is often divided, festivals serve as a reminder that we are all connected, celebrating the same joys and overcoming the same challenges.
So, as we celebrate these festivals, let's remember to embrace our shared humanity and spread love and kindness to all.
After all, it's these moments of celebration that bring us closer and make life truly beautiful. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.